Hi, this is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're going to talk about what you as a homeowner can do to prepare for someone like me to come over and do a foundation inspection. First of all, make sure you have foundation problems. Cracks in walls, sloping floors, you put a ball down and it starts to roll towards the corner. You live on a slope, expansive soils. First thing you can do is go on our website, start reading some blog articles, look us up, look up some of the reviews. And I'm not talking about just Dalinghaus Construction. Any company you're having out to do an inspection, make sure they have the correct licensing, make sure that you research them on the CSLB website. That's the California State License Board. Go on Google, go on Yelp. Also, watch some videos of the installation or the inspection. So you want to see what's going on, see how much the person that's going to be at your house, how experience they have, read the bio. Big thing is go to our YouTube page. We have hundreds of videos on there. And then also tidy up your house a little bit, and be prepared for that, because the inspector is going to want to go into every room to take measurements with a zip level. So it's almost like getting a topography of your home. That way the inspection specialist like me knows where to place the product in order to fix the problem. Do some research on our company or any other company you're going to have come over. Read the reviews, read the bio of the person that's coming to your house, see how long they've been there. Also tidy up, make sure there's access to all the rooms. But if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us below, and that's all for now from Dalinghaus Construction.